Welcome to the 2022 Unity Beginners course. This is episode 0 and I will introduce to you the powerful Unity game engine. Unity has long been a popular game engine for rapidly developing video games. Most of the games in the mobile market are developed using Unity, and mastering Unity will definitely bring you huge opportunities. In this tutorial series, I will teach you everything you need to know about Unity as a beginner, and I'll be demonstrating using the latest stable version of Unity available as of January 2022, providing you with the most up-to-date information. And for those who don't know, Unity is a game engine, and we can develop our own games through coding and editing. The engine provides numerous tools to assist developers to create their games and publish them to various platforms including PC, mobile, consoles, WebGL, and even TV platforms. The best part about Unity is that it is mostly free to use. The editor software can be run on Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux systems. I usually develop my games on a Linux system, but for this series, I will be demonstrating on Windows. There are millions of developers out there working with Unity, so you can always get useful references and help from others. Are you interested in game development and can't wait to start turning your idea into a real running game? Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to this tutorial series as I guide you through this amazing software. I am Yeahlowflicker and I will see you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned.